Pear cake with candied almond. Easy and delicious. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from MikasTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Here's what you need. I use slightly underripe Bartlett pears. Too ripe will be too juicy. No soggy cake. Start with the almonds. Mix 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon water in a bowl. Stir in and coat the almonds thoroughly. Spread them evenly over a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Lightly brown. Let them cool. Crumble and set aside in a bowl. Cut the pears in half and peel and core them. Slice lengthwise into moderately thin pieces. In a bowl, mix the pears with about 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. In a large bowl, mix together 6 tablespoons room temperature butter and 1/3 cup sugar. Stir in 2 beaten eggs and 3/4 cup almond flour, alternating a little at a time until both are fully incorporated. Once the butter is smooth, sift and mix in 1/4 cup all-purpose flour as shown. Mix in the pears, reserving 8 slices for the top of the cake. Prep a 7-inch spring foam pan by dabbing the bottom with melted butter. This holds the parchment in place. Repeat for the sides. Now fill the pan with the cake batter and smooth the top. Place the remaining pears on top in a pretty pattern, thin end and the center, fat end to the rim. Bake in the preheated 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Check for doneness. Remove from the spring foam pan and put it on your favorite plate. Arrange the tasty candied almond on top, and I suggest dusting the cake with confectioner's sugar. Plate and serve. My recipe makes about 6 generous servings. This is so delicious, and the aroma of cooking pears warms my whole home. This is an easy, wonderful autumn treat for the whole family. I hope you will try it soon, and thanks for watching my video.